See, why it is not working? Because flight reservation browser, how many files you opened? You didn't open you opened the flight reservation window and you worked on it, and you opened login window. Login module is different and flight reservation is different. Wait,
update order is update order.
Uma, the problem is the application module is login, but you worked on flight reservation module.
Okay.
Enter username and password, and one more window will opens, na?
Yeah.
That you have to make open, not this one. So this module you open and then run it, it will works. Okay, right now it won't work because you made a lot of mistakes in the coding side. You didn't perform perfectly. Why you're doing task, all those steps, wait. Actually you didn't create it properly, dear. Manually, why is it done by you or QTP?
No, I just did what I'm doing now, update order, that's it.
Then open this window, then run it. Okay? Don't open login window.
Okay.
So you have to log out. Then only it will works. Click on exit.
Okay, so you can't say, okay, you have to open a new window. Okay.
Yeah, open new window and work on it, it will works. Restart your system later. It's got stuck out in the middle.
Okay.
Because you made a lot of disturbance to QTP.
Okay.
That is the main reason. Okay? But
Okay.
QTP is fine in your system.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. So, hi Saima, can you hear me? Sakshi, are you unable to hear my voice?
Yes, now I can.
Fine. Now, what was our last session? Uma, it will works, dear. Open flight reservation window, create, and again open flight reservation window only. Then it will works. So let's see. So today's topic is inserting the programmatic statements. There are few lightweight programmatic statements which we are using. So what are all those things? Let's discuss. Let's discuss those lightweight programmatic statements in QTP. Is everyone is here? Who is absent today?
Yes.
Saima, are you there?
Vikesh is not here.
Yeah, Vikesh is not there, and Saima is also not there.
Saima arrived.
The message came, Simon left, maybe he got disconnected.
Yeah.
He came
Yeah,
again.
Saima, can you hear me now? Fine. So fine team, we'll start the session now. Programmatic statements. There are 5 lightweight programmatic statements we are using. So what are all those things? Means one is comments. Then utility statement. Then normal statement. Or we can call it as a AOM method. Normal statements or AOM method. Then conditional statement. And looping statement. So there are some lightweight programmatic statements are there. In this, one of the option is comments. Comments. Let's see. So what is this comments means? This is your script line, or let's see. See. This is the login window. I'm using record, Windows, apply and OK. So I have activated. I have entered username, password as Mercury. I clicked on OK button. So one window work is done. Now this is the flight reservation window. I clicked it. Then I went to file, open order. Order number 9 I clicked and I closed the application, stop recording. Okay. So up to 1 to 4 is one script line and this is one script line. Basically, Uma, what you did here is you are not creating the script line. You created only this script line and you open this application and you are asking to execute. So this script line belongs to another module. But you opened module 1, you created module 2 script and you are asking to execute, which is not supposed to do. QTP will not do in this way. Okay. Same module application has to be opened, then only it will works. Okay. Later you try it out. Now coming to the point here, login window, script line is there. Flight reserve window, script line, close application. Here in this modules, I want to execute only login. I don't want to use the flight reservation. So here in QTP, one option is given called comments. It is used to ignore the script lines while executional time. Means asking the QTP. Asking QTP to ignore the, or asking the QTP to not to execute. Script lines. How to do this process means, see, syntax. Syntax means formula, format or a formula, single quote or single quote start at the beginning line, or REM. REM means remark, means not to execute. Is called comment. See. At the beginning line, example, you want only login, not flight reservation. At the beginning line, you can give single quote. See, color got changed. So it won't execute. Or single quote star also you can give, or you can say REM space, that's it. Or you can select all. Right click, comment block, that's it. Block of lines, it will comment it. Now hit the run button, only login window will open. See, that's it. Login only, it will activate it. So this is called comments. If you're having any doubts here, you can ask me now.
But I saw in the back the flight reservation also got open.
Sorry?
I saw in the back flight reservation also got opened.
When you enter username and password, Nadir, when you click on OK button, obviously it will opens, right?
Yeah.
Then it is not moving on to this step. That is the main point.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it's not in open order. Okay.
Yeah. See, but what you did here is you opened this flight reservation and you are having a login script. You are hitting the run button. Reversely you are doing. That is a mistake by you in the test pen. Yeah. What is another doubt, team?
These three were different syntax, right?
Yeah.
That colon, star colon, and REM.
Yeah. Different syntax but same work.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
select all, uncomment it. Uncomment the block like this. Or manually you can remove like this. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Unmuted.
Now
So
utilities.
application,
Vidya, in real time, when we use comment, in which situation or scenario?
Giving the note, like some information when you're giving, on that time comments will be used. And some situations, for time being, you don't want to execute one module script. You are commenting and you are executing instead of saving, location, making all the things. Just commenting, you are executing your desired script lines. In these two situations, you are using.
Okay, thank you.
Fine.
so
Yeah.
in this we need open the login module.
Yeah, login module you have to open.
So there is no need to open another module.
No need. See, it is there, na? Hit the run button, automatically it will open and it will perform the task. See. Now flight reservation window is opening. So script line is generating. Got it?
Huh.
Fine. What she did is, she closed the entire things. She created flight reservation. She opened login window. That is the main point. She hit the run button and she is waiting why it is not working. That's it. Here flight reservation window, but here login window, not flight reservation. Okay. So next time you should not do this process. Now utility statement. What is utility statement means already you learned. By using this, we are asking QTP to open the application automatically by itself. You can use this syntax or you can use invoke application and application path. Invoke application and application path. Okay. See. I'm deleting this one. Here. Invoke application. Right click properties. Copy the target location and control. That's it. Okay. Now hit the run button, automatically application will opens. That's it. See. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Fine, dear. This is very important. Just concentrate here. Normal statement or AOM method. AOM means automation object model. By using this, we can write the VB script manually without recording. Without recording, we can write the VB script manually. For this, we need to use AOM method. So, for object to write the VB script manually, we need object information like logical name of object, like one is logical name, here object related logical name, real object name and method. So to write VB script manually, we need object information as below. So what is logical name and real object name? I will show you in application. But what is method means? It is an action which we are performing on the application. Performing on the application is called method. Here in the application, text field is there. Text field. It is used for what? Enter the data. Technically,
Enter
method
data.
is, yeah, method is set. In any application, title is there. It is used to clicking on title bar. And method is activate. You have to remember these methods. And radio button is there. It is used to select. Select the options. Method is set only. Drop down list is there. It is also used to select the option, and method is select. To click the option, not select. Checkbox is there. Click on and off. Method is set only. Buttons will be there. Clicking on it. And method is click. Close option. It is used to but method is close. I'll show you this close option. At any cost, you have to remember this methods here. Okay. Just read it and let me know if you're having any doubts here. You have to remember these formats: method, activate, set, select, set, click, close. Okay, basically these are all the commonly used options.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Saima, are you on the floor? Are you getting it?
Yes, yes,
Good.
I'm on the floor.
Good. Now let's see. There are two methods are there to write the VB script manually. Two formats especially. AOM formats. Before going to the concept, let's have one example first. Here, this is one school, and very important point is any application there are two objects are there. One is title is parent object. Any application, title will be the parent object and remaining all objects are child objects. Okay. So title, any title is a parent. Here login is the parent and rest of all objects are what? Child objects. Okay. Now here let's see one example. This is one school. Here parent and this is child. Example, child is 3 years old kid. Example. If school wants to conduct the picnic to this child, the school directly can't go to the child. The school wants to perform some action on this child, but they can't go directly child. First they will take the permission from parent, then come to child. This is one format school has to follow. Now school wants to ask the fees of the child. They can't go to child location. They're directly going to the parent. No need to ask child to anything. So here, if school wants to conduct some actions on parent, means no need to take the permission from child. But school wants to perform some task on child, means take the permission from parent, then come to child. Is these 2 points are clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Fine, yes?
Yes.
Good, Saujanya. Now let's see. Here, method 1. If we need to perform task on parent object. There are 2 objects I said. One is parents, another one is child. Format is parent object name dot method. Syntax is here logical name double quotes real object name of parent dot method. Parent object name is, it's a logical name and real object name of parent. This is parent object dot method. What is logical name? What is real object name? In next step I will tell you. Now next. If you want to perform the task on child object, format is first take the permission from parent. Parent object name dot child object name dot method. Logical name and real object name of parent. Again dot logical name of child dot method. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. This is the syntax. All of you please concentrate on these 2 syntax. With the help of this syntax only, we are going to write the VB script manually now without recording. Sorry. Now let's see. Here, title is the parent. Any application title is the parent. I need to activate. How to write it? See, this is your QTP. I'm taking the new one. Wonderful friend is there in the QTP, that is called object spy. It is used to provide the properties and values of each and every object then and there itself. Go to tools, object spy. Hand icon is there, click it. Hold this hand and click on title. Here you can see, forget about all, just to see this title. Title in the sense, see, dialog login. This login and this login both are same. Dialog is the logical name. This login is the real object name. Dialog is the logical name and login is the real object name. This is called parent object. Dialog login is the parent object. If you want to perform the task on parent object, logical name is what? Dialog. Real object name is what? Double quotes login. Dot method is what? It is a title. For title it is activate. That's it. This is called writing VB script manually. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me now. Logical name is dialog. Real object name is login. Dot method is activate for title, because title is a parent object.
So every time logical name is dialog?
We don't know. Maybe it will be changed. You have to see here. QTP will provide you. Then only you need to recognize. Here dialog is there, we return. For another window, there may be another option. Example, flight reservation window is there. For this application, what is logical name? We don't know. So click on hand icon, click on title. Now what is the logical name of flight reservation?
Window.
Window. Got it? Yes.
So QTP give name.
Yeah, it will recognize. We no need to worry about those things. Okay. Now I want to perform the task on agent name. Hand icon, click on agent name. See the hierarchy. For agent name, what is the logical name? Agent name.
WinEdit. WinEdit.
Yes. See the hierarchy. If you want to perform the task on child object, first title is there, then child. But when you are coming to title only, there is no child objects taking the permission.
Yeah.
When you're coming to the child object, now parent is also there, child is also there, hierarchy. Okay. So let's see.
Okay.
Some background noise here. Now coming to the concept, to perform the task on child object, here dialog login is a parent object. Dot WinEdit agent name dot set, because method is set. You can write your name. That's it. Got it? Now let's see. Line by line, I'm writing this VB script here. Go to tools, object spy, hand icon, click on title, dialog login. So here I'm typing dialog login dot activate. Then go to tools, object spy, hand icon, click on agent name, dialog login, WinEdit agent name. See, dialog login dot WinEdit agent name dot set. Here Umashri example. Now Uma, tell me, I want to enter something in password, what I have to do? See the hierarchy and tell me.
So now you will say dialog login dot WinEdit parenthesis password colon
So,
dot
good. WinEdit dot set Mercury. Now I want to click on OK button. Saima, you tell me how to do this process. See, I want to click on OK button.
Dialog, login, win button, okay.
So you are saying dialog
Login, win button.
Okay. It is a button. See the method of the button.
Okay. Click.
Click.
Okay.
So dot click.
Dot click.
That's it. Is everyone clear with the steps? Saujanya, Sakshi?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Good. What about Archana? Is it clear, Archana?
Yes.
Fine. I have written VB script manually. There is no information in the object repository. If I hit the run button, will it works?
No.
No, it won't. So you need to add the objects into the object repository. Now it will works. That's it. In this way, you are going to write the VB script manually. That's it. In future, dead easy method is there to write the VB script manually. Last, at the end, I will tell you. Not now. First, you practice this one. Parent object, child object method. First, you practice. Later, I will tell you the or a easy way. I'm going to teach you. One dead easy way is there. Okay. Fine. Now next. Next one is conditional statement. All the time, no need to write the script manually. It's not possible also. If required, only some cases, problematic situations QTP is gonna face. On that time only you can write it. That situations in coming class, recovery scenarios topic, I will tell you. Not now. Okay, next is conditional statement. So what is this conditional statement means? If else, one of the if else statement is a conditional statement which is used to evaluate, or it is used to evaluate the condition is true or false. If else. If else. So this statement is used to, it is one of the conditional statement. Which is used to evaluate the condition is true or false based on the result. Based on the result. So here. So in this statement, one inbuilt method we are using. That is called one inbuilt method we are using that is called message box. It is used to display the result. It is used to display the result. Now let's see. That message box is used to display the result. Syntax is message box pass or fail. We are using. Let's see. Here I want to see here task is verify the login application opened or not. This task you need to see. Exist or not on the desktop you need to see. See. If else statement. If space. Automatically because of inbuilt syntax is displayed here. If dialog open bracket login dot exists. Then you're asking message box pass, else message box fake. See, I opened the application, hit the run button. Oh, what is the mistake? Tell me. Guess it.
Object repository, no data,
Yeah, because
no
I written
values.
manually. Yes.
Yeah.
Go to resource object repository. Add objects to local. Click OK. Now hit the run button. Let's see. See. Pass. Until and unless you clicked on this OK button, it won't move on to the next step. That is the problem here. User has to click like this. Then only it will coming out of the execution process and see what it says. Go to view, expand all. It says login exists, object exists. I didn't get the proper meaning here. I want in detailed. And one more example. If you're not opening the application, second case, see, hit the run button. Fail. Message will display. It is trying to identify the application and it displays this message. Click OK. That's it. But I'm not getting any meaningful message here. To avoid this one, in this, we can use one more inbuilt method that is called reporter dot report event. So here, what is this reporter dot report event means? By using this, we can create our own test log or own result window. Or own information in result window. Syntax is reporter dot report event step name description. See, this is a syntax. See, here reporter dot report event space step name event status, not step name, I think. One more option, space status comma step name. So here status is mic pass, Microsoft pass, comma double quote, step name is verify the login application, and application is open successfully. Yeah. Now next, failed case. Same step. Reporter dot report event Microsoft failed, comma same thing. Verify the login application application is failed to open. That's it. See, you open the application and you hit the run button. Let's see. See, pass. Go to view, expand all. See, verify the login application. Application is opened successfully. Result is pass. See, earlier login exists, object does not exist, object exists. But here in detail information it will gives. If you are not opening the application, and where it is going to use it in coming step, I will teach you dear. Linear framework concept is there I will explain you. This option is used in that location. See, it is trying to identify the application. See, failed case. Go to view, expand. See, I verified the login application, failed to open. This is called reporter.
With this method, there was no message box on which we have to click OK.
Yeah, because we deleted Nadir. If you write message box, it will display.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
We can write that too.
You can write that too, but user action should be there. You have to click, then only it will move on to the next step. But here, no need to move on to the next step. No need to click.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Now next. Looping statement. So recently we used parameterization concept. What it is? What it is? What is parameterization? Passing the
multiple data values.
Yes. Passing the multiple sets of data to test the major functionality. For this, that input data where you are maintaining?
Data table.
Yes, data table. But I don't want to maintain any data table. Dynamically, while executional time, I want to enter the information. How to do that process, miss? That process we can do with the help of looping statement called for next. For next. This looping statement, this is one looping statement. Which is used to run a block of data or statements for specific number of times. While executional time. Here. Let's see. In this one inbuilt method, we are using to enter the input data. That is called input box. Syntax is declaring the variable called a equals to input box message. So let's see. Instead of maintaining the data into the data table, dynamically also you can give for space. You are declaring one variable called I. I is the memory location. where I want to enter 1 to 4 times input data. You are declaring one variable called a equals to input box. Here enter agent name. One more variable equals to input box, enter password. Message box will be displayed. Then I want to open the application automatically. System util.run. Copy the target location. Control. Now execute the general script here. Record the general script. Because multiple sets of username and password you have to enter. Activate. Enter username. Password is Mercury. Click OK and close the application. Stop recording. Now declare the variables here. You are calling those values here. If you want, you can ask UTP to wait for 3 seconds and you can see. See what happened here? 4 times. First input box will ask you to enter username and password. You will enter. Now those values, application will open. It will activate. Whatever you entered here, those values will be added here. Then click OK and close. See. Hit the run button. Let's see. See. Input box means this. It is asking to enter agent name. I have entered agent name as Sakshi. I clicked on OK button. Now password, second line number 3. It is asking to password I have entered. Click OK. See. Then it is asking I am entering Bhavana. Password is Mercury. See. Then I am entering Archana. Password is Mercury. So dynamically while executional time we are doing this step. So the data is in your hand. See. Sauji. Password is Mercury. Like this. Oh, I made it as a wrong password. Like this, you are going to write the VB script manually. Got it, team? So, again I am saying practice is very, very important here. Yeah.
So in real time, we will write VB script manually or we will record?
Both we are doing. If needed, sometimes I told you, in coming days you will understand where you need to write the script manually. Some situations, very rare situations, you can write it. Otherwise, 80% you can record it.
Okay. And interview point of view, from interview point of view, we need to know all these things, which we.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, dear.
So
having any doubts till now?
No. So they can ask us how you used to perform, or like they can ask us syntax of different things.
Definitely they will ask syntax.
Yeah.
Tell me the syntax of reporter event and all. Like this they will ask.
Okay.
Okay. So this we can discuss on tomorrow. Okay. Descriptive programming. Okay. It is just for your knowledge sake. To give the weightage in your resume, we are using descriptive programming. What it is in detail, we are going to discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm sending a notes to you. You can download it now. Maybe yesterday I missed it out, right? Did I?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm sending updated one. You can download it.
Ma'am, please check my email.
Yeah. Archana, I given a reply, na? Again you have given?
No, you didn't reply. I just made it myself and reply.
Archana,
Programming also.
Archana, yesterday I shared the screen and I guided you, right?
Ha!
After
I
that,
just
today you have given 13 hours
yes,
back.
I updated.
That's what I'm telling you. Long back is not. Today you have given. That's why I'm asking you.
Today? Yesterday night.
Okay,
Oh,
yesterday night you have
time
given. Okay,
difference.
okay, that's fine. That's fine. Saujanya, you're asking something?
Ma'am, I had sent you a mail 2 days back.
Okay, I didn't give any reply to you. Okay.
Yes.
I think I have given. Okay. I will check it out and I'll give it to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
Can you again check my screen? I had some issue.
So first,
I
the
opened
recording file, dear. Your recording having na, you have to practice by using recording also, because simple mistakes you are making and you are not recognizing those mistakes.
No, I did that recording also.
Yeah, what happened now?
Yes. I had the window application open. I don't know why this application gets opened all the time.
Give the controls to me.
Okay. You got it?
No. Yeah, now I think I got it. Actually,
I
the
don't know
mistake
why
which
this
wait.
application gets opened.
Actually, the mistake which it is there in your system is here. Go to automation. You are not
Yeah,
selecting this record and run settings.
I did that.
Where you did here, see, it has to be displayed in this way,
Yeah,
not
I
display.
do that. Yeah, but still it opens. It goes there. I don't know why.
I'm not sure whether you did or not. Let me check it by my end. Where is the login application?
Yeah, you go from start. Yeah.
Why don't you give the shortcut key, dear? I already have given it in your system, right? You deleted that one. Instead of going that location, make it in your desktop shortcut key. It's a very simple option. No? I'm having a control, you don't do anything.
Yeah, I'm not doing.
Okay. I think now it will work. That option you were not given it properly. Record and run settings. Now open the application, hit the run button. Is it working?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is working. Now recheck it out. Okay? Okay, team.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, team. See you on tomorrow, same timings.
Okay.